my friends. Welcome to Conversations with Arundhati. Bite-sized episodes for busy people who want to learn about staying healthy, life hacks, endometriosis and women's health from me and other experts in the field. I also will be sharing fun snippets from my life as I learn and unlearn about life in general. Let's dive into today's episode. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode. Today we are talking about what we can do when we are faced with ignorance towards us and our illness when dealing with others. This is specifically for women with endometriosis and other illnesses. But I am certain that others too can apply some of these principles to similar situations. In the journey of endo, we all experience both kindness and unpleasant side of people. More often than not, at first, we actually experience a lot of ignorance from the outside world. This could be from doctors, medical staff, even down to the people in our family. And it actually hurts us much more because we ourselves are struggling to learn about this illness, and here we are treated a little unkindly. My advice is personally not to be bitter. I must admit, I did do that at first. I'm not saying that your feelings are not valid. They so totally are. But there are things that we can do. And I doubt most intentionally hurt us, right? Because if we separate ourselves from the rest of the world, how can we expect to live a normal life? It should never be us against the rest of the world. You will always stay bitter and isolated if you follow this approach. Here are 4 steps for you to try to prepare yourself ahead. Step number 1. First, educate yourself. A lot of us are not able to handle others' comments about our illness because we ourselves actually don't know what it actually is. So take some time to learn everything you can. This helps us speak about the illness confidently without inviting judgment. Step number 2. Learn your trigger conversations and prepare a few replies ahead. You know the common ones. Why are you always sick? Oh, it's a period problem. When are you getting pregnant? You know all of these, right? Step number 3. Spread awareness, and in time people will come around. What I mean is talk about topics from what the illness is, what you can do, what you can't do, what help you might need. If infertility is an issue, bring that out. Speak to your people, speak to your family about it. If you need reduced work or relaxed hours from your work, speak to your boss. Speak to your workmates. Step number 4, professional help. If you do feel overwhelmed, first I suggest you unpack your feelings with a professional. And if you also feel that you need someone to intervene when speaking to your family, your friends, or your boss about this illness, get a professional or even a friend to intervene for you. It is fair to say that we truly do deserve love and kindness because of what we are going through. But also remember, we are having an invisible illness. So let's cut them some slack too, right? And only person that we can change is ourselves. So you do your part, educate them, be prepared. And if they are still rude and ill-mannered, at least you tried, right? 2 things that you can do in that case is you can cut them out completely or avoid the topic with them. Regardless, you did your part and other girls and I will thank you for it. But trust me when I say I have been trying this path, and most of the time, most of the people do come around. If you can't find the light in the world, be one. I actually wrote a short story on similar issues us endo girls deal with in society. It's on Amazon called Confessions of an Endo Girl. It's a very short read. The link for it is in the description below. It has a few stories from my diary to educate others on what we are going through, and also some steps that us endo girls can do when faced with these uncomfortable situations. So, my action steps for this episode is go through these 4 steps, write down what you need to do, and message me a reply or two that you have prepared for the next time you are confronted with ignorance. Speak to you soon, my lovelies. Have a blessed day. Bye for now.